8 months ago, I had screwed up my knee pretty bad by landing very wrong on our trampoline and was on crutches with a metal brace for a while. So, during one of our breakfast fundraisers, I was sitting at the end of the food tables handing out silverware. This is important because everyone who came through saw me and greeted me like the entitled mother. I had decided to use the restroom, so I temporarily switched with my godmom and hobbled my tall ass over to the bathroom. Everything was fine for the first 2 minutes of me being there, until someone knocks on the door. The dialogue as follows. I said, "Hello, I'll be out in a minute." The entitled mother said, "All right." Mind you, I can hear her child whining about having to pee, and I recognize his voice. This is important later. A couple more minutes pass, and I'm starting to get up, when she knocks again. I respond with, "I'm just getting up. One moment, please." She then said, "Can you hurry up? My son has to pee, and we've been waiting too long." I began to tell her that there's other bathrooms upstairs, but she rudely interrupted me and said that she isn't going to walk up all those stairs to use that filthy bathroom. At this point, I have my pants on, and started to wash my hands, and I sighed, not really wanting to deal with this any longer. Apparently, washing my hands was a no-no, because I hear the child whine again, and she says, "That water is making you have to pee even more. You are torturing my child. Get out here now, or I'm getting the father," who's my priest. I said, "Now, like I said earlier when you rudely interrupted me, this bathroom is for disabled. I know for a fact that you and your child are perfectly mobile." She responded with, "Then why are you in here? You don't sound disabled." In my head, I was thinking, what does that even mean? That was the last thing out of her mouth before I opened the door, my crutches back under my armpits, and I said, "Well, I sure feel disabled." The entitled mother's eyes widened, seeing my brace and crutches, and she grabbed her kid and bolted for the stairs. I didn't see her for the rest of the morning, and she still avoids me at mass to this day. It still makes me laugh. Oh my freaking goodness. Guys, that is terrible. You don't sound disabled. Is this the ignorance of some people, or is this a Karen being a Karen? Guys, I'm actually lost for words. But OP handled that amazingly though. I sure feel disabled. I would pay money to see the look in her face after OP dropped that on her. Steve-O, can you please throw up that surprised Pikachu face? There it is. That's probably what she looks like. So, back in the late 90s when Sears wasn't sad and dying, my mother was an assistant manager. Her boss, Karen, was also pregnant, and this generally wasn't an issue, until it was. Now, my parents spent a long time choosing baby names, and when I turned out to be a girl, they really wanted my name to be gender neutral, to prevent future trouble finding jobs. And yes, that's the actual reason, but my middle name remained the same as when they thought I was a boy, which is Ryan. When they decided on my full name, my mom told her friends about it, and one of them ended up telling the manager. As my mother was on lunch break, this lady storms in, already red and furious, and said, "I heard you were naming your baby Ryan." My mother is, of course, stunned. She stays silent for a few moments before finally answering and says, "That's her middle name, yes." The woman exclaims as though this is some sort of a great revelation. "Your baby is a girl." This woman snaps, her face